This is 10,000 grant that you can get within 5 minutes, not more than 5 minutes. They know you are busy, you don't have time for you to spend a lot of time on this grant. So what do you do? But first of all, we are seeing $150,000 grants, and we are seeing it is going to be awarded within 15 grants within this 2024 by August. Can you believe it can be applied, or you can access it within 5 minutes? That is, it means you can only talk about yourself and tell your business within 5 minutes and get this grant. When is the deadline? The deadline is on June 12th, 2024 this year. So hurry up now. Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening from wherever you're watching us from. We are bringing you a grant that has no strings attached, and you can get it at any time within this period before June. So what are we talking about? Who is eligible to this grant? Any person that keeps the home and office safe. Now you're in these 4 categories that we're going to be looking at today. It's up to you. All you do, you can apply for this grant. The $150,000 grant is for you. Are you in the home service healers category? Are you in the carriers builders category? Are you in the smooth operators category? Or you're in the community caregivers category? What do I mean by the home service healers category? If you know you're a person or you're an individual or an organization that keep homes and offices safe and running smoothly, you can apply for this grant. Another category, if you know you're a person who help hardworking people to build meaningful careers, you can apply for this grant. Are you a person that who has prioritized technology and innovation to run a smooth business? You go for this grant. What about that person who give back to the communities where they live and work? Are you that person that you take care of your community? You take care of a certain community in your village, in your locality, in your home country. What exactly do you do with the community? Go for it. This is the grant that is there for you. What you do, go down, and what we are going to talk about, click there. Open the website of the website that I'm going to show you today, which is very beautiful and very good, and it has no restrictions, and you start earning or you get this grant. Another person, I think you are there thinking, Christine, you have delayed us. What exactly is this grant website? The grant website is called Jobber Grants. Now, Jobber Grants is one of the best grants that we have come across, that we have seen people with a lot of testimonies that has been helping people all over and all over again. Here we can go down and you see even the testimonies of the people in 2023 grants recipients. You will see many individuals who happen to get this grant really talk about this website very well. So the 2023 recipients are very many. We have Alex Pandey and Zach Heimer from Carolina. We have Lucky Lindsay and of Sparkle Shine Cleaning Services. You will read about it and also see that really she's from Michigan and she's excited of having been supported with this grant. We have very more. We'll see another testimonial, or the recipient is called Ramizo Chagan Prime Power Washing. This one is from British Columbia. Really, he's praising and is giving thanks and is talking about how this Jobber grant has helped him do his business, do his passion, and continue to do what he's supposed to do. So let's continue and see how you can access. You can also continue and read about the website. You're going to see very many people and very many recipients of 2023 and other days. Let's continue and see how people have been accessing, or how you yourself you can access, how can you apply on this grant. One of the best things that surprised me and I loved most is that this grant has no strings attached. It is up to you on how to use it. It has no restrictions like other grants. So what you do, you decide to use it the way you want to use it. You decide how to use the grant to support your business goals. You use the funds to help launch, grow, or strengthen your business. You aim, it depends on your aims, it depends on your dreams and how you want to make it. Is it from the equipment? Is it from launching? Is it from team building? It's up to you that you want to make it happen and you really escalate it. So let's go and see how does Jobber grants look like. The first interface as you put in your browser looks like this. When you put Jobber grants, the first interface will come like this. You will see, of course, you can see what it shows. It shows you that the 10,000 grants for excellency in home service is for you within 5 minutes of application. So they tell you apply now. So when you go to this application and you say apply now, they are going to ask you some different questions, and of which these different questions are easy for you to answer. They will ask you where you reside or where you stay, excluding this and the other, then you answer it. So when you get to this grant, you be specific, you talk what exactly is supposed to be talked. There is no shortcut on this. You have to be who you're supposed to be. So most of the grants have strings attached, but this one has no strings attached. So what you do, go there, open the jobbergrants.com on any of your browser and see how the grants is working out. I always tell people that for us here, we are to give you a lead, and for you go in and really see exactly what it is in there. You know the details of the grants, you know the testimonials, you know the do's and don'ts and all other things. You will even go to the extent of knowing where you fall best and what you can do, what you cannot do. Make sure by the time you go there, you have your objectives, you have what your business is all about or what your program is all about, because they will need to know about. When you continue on the website, you'll see the program lineup. Like for example, the one we are talking about right now runs from March to June 12th. So this is a phase that you can apply right now. If you miss out this phase, suppose you don't get this grant in this phase, you can also wait and go to another phase. Another phase of the program will be there in June 18th to June 26th. So everything that is there, you'll be seeing it. Then afterwards, you will also see when do you expect to get your grant. Your grant will be expected to be given in August 2024, because they will take time to shortlist, to get the finalists, to send your names to the judges and see whoever is eligible for phase 2, which is March 6th to June 12th, and they give you the grant.